Hello, and welcome to NeoEnglish, a daily podcast for beginner learners. Today we talk about a big news story from Lithuania.
Today's headline is Tesonet announces strategic investments in Lithuanian education to build a high-quality learning ecosystem.
In simple words, Tesonet, a technology group, will invest money and time in private schools and training in Lithuania for many years.
The news began in Vilnius on January 14th, and the main idea is long-term support to make education better across the country.
Let's explain some key words. First, strategic investment. This means putting money where it helps a business or community in an important, planned way.
Example 1. A company buys computers for a school as a strategic investment to improve digital skills. Example 2. A city builds new buses as a strategic investment to make commuting easier.
Next word, learning ecosystem. This sounds big, but it means many learning places and tools working together, like schools, online classes, and teacher training.
Example 1. A learning ecosystem can include early childhood centers, high schools, and online courses that connect students and teachers. Example 2. A company creates apps, trainers, and scholarships, all parts of a learning ecosystem.
Another phrase, private education. This is education run by private groups or companies, not by the government.
Example 1. A private language school that charges students a fee is private education. Example 2. A tech company running a boot camp for new programmers is private education too.
The news says Tesonet wants high-quality learning. High quality means better teachers, good materials, and useful training for jobs.
To help understand, think of a garden. If you plant seeds and water them for many years, the garden grows strong. Tesonet wants to plant and care for the education garden in Lithuania.
Now a short story version. Tesonet will make long-term, strategic investments in private education across Lithuania, working to build a connected, high-quality learning ecosystem that helps learners of different ages.
Background: Tesonet is a technology group and is choosing to support education now because better education can bring skilled people and new jobs in the future.
Let's practice some phrases and how to use them in everyday sentences. Strategic investment. Use it when you talk about a careful plan to spend money. Example: the city made a strategic investment in parks. Another: she made a strategic investment in her English course.
Learning ecosystem. Use it when you mean many learning parts that work together. Example: our school joined an online learning ecosystem. Another: the company built a learning ecosystem for employees.
Private education. Use it to talk about schools or courses run by companies or individuals. Example: he attends private education for coding. Another: private education often offers flexible schedules.
A quick tip on long-term. It means for many years. You can say, I want a long-term job, or this is a long-term plan for the city.
And high quality. It means very good. Try, we need high-quality materials, or they want high-quality teachers.
Another small clarification: strategic versus short-term. Strategic is careful and long-range. Short-term is quick and for now. Example: buying one laptop is short-term. Creating a training program for 5 years is strategic.
Before we finish, another way to explain the news. Imagine a company giving tools, teachers, and online lessons to many schools. That is what Tesonet plans, and that will help students learn the skills for new jobs.
Recap time. Vocabulary: strategic investment, learning ecosystem, private education, long-term, high quality. Phrases: make a strategic investment, build a learning ecosystem, support private education.
Story recap. Tesonet announced on January 14th in Vilnius that it will invest long-term in private education across Lithuania to build a high-quality learning ecosystem and help learners of different ages.
If you don't want to miss NeoEnglish daily episodes, you can subscribe it to get new lessons every day.
Thanks for listening. Practice the vocabulary and phrases today, and join us tomorrow for another short, helpful news conversation.